Hey guys, in this video we're starting a lab. Real execution via Polyglot shell uploads. It says here that the lab contains vulnerable image upload function, which we've been covering the past couple videos. Although it checks the contents of the file to verify that it has a genuine image and still possible to upload and execute server-side code. To solve this lab, you upload a basic PHP shell that extracts the files contents of home/car secrets. So then once that executes, we have to submit the secrets to complete the lab. And just log these credits here. Oops, why is the solution open? Um, okay. To make sure your proxy is open, and then you just log into your account. See, you have a profile file upload, so we can just, so first thing we do is test um, what can be uploaded, what can't be. So it said here that it verifies if it's an actual image, so you actually have to like either add an image you already have that's a PNG or JPEG, or we'll discover this how to bypass that. It's a security measure. Well, it's a security measure, and also it's how images should be protected to verify that they're actual images. You scan the contents, not just look for the extension type and the content type. But okay, we'll try to upload just to see. Yeah, see, it says the file is not a valid image. Sorry, this was the error uploading file. Okay, so we come back here and so it couldn't upload it, so it's not going to, and it doesn't tell you what file allowed. So we'll test this and see. Yeah, so it allows JPEG. So we know it allows JPEG now. And it loads the image. So there's this thing called Polyglot, which is right here in the title of the lab. And what it does is that it's an actual, so when you upload this, so if you add in your payload, whether it's a command or file contents, in this case, file contents, and if you append that, you'll see here that the file begins is binary such as images that can manipulate the compromise to secure the web server, files that are valid, which is the actual image, but inside, if you look inside the data of a file, it will have like a script that says like get file or CMD or some type of system type of function to bypass filters in case the web server is searching and validating it. Make sure it's real, not a fake one. So that's what polyglot files are. The technique is called. So There we go. Huh, that was weird. Hmm. Okay, let me fix that. Let's try sending that again. Okay. Okay. So we see that we get this whole image file here, which was the valid image. So if we come into a terminal here, and then so to order to get this lab, you're going to need XFL tool and install that. It should be on default if you're using Kali, but if you're on the other OS, you might have to manually install it either. Your built-in OS's package manager to download tools and applications. You have to download it from either GitHub. Okay. So use XFL tool to comment this into a valid image, and you have to have a JPEG that you either have in your system that has that's an actual valid JPEG or download it from Google or whatever. And this is the command you have to use to create a valid PHP that will allow us to bypass this content, the security measures on this lab. Okay, so put that. It says image file created, and if we come here and we go to pod1 PHP, we upload it, and it says, hey, your image was successful, and then you go back to our proxy here, and then send this to replay. When we send this request again, and then what we have to do is in the request in the bottom, you have to search for the secrets. So if you put secret, no, T, make this bigger so you can see. Body did the response, and yep, and here is the secrets. It's right here. And so when you look in the response, you're gonna have to put either in your burp, you have to put into the search field in response either ST or in this case start or end, and all in between those there should be the secrets, and then you send that to here, submit the solution, and lab is completed. Now this is final. We're going to be covering web shell view race conditions. So this will be expert level involving chaining or shell via race condition. So I've never done this one. I see it's not solved. So this will be interesting one to do, and if I can get it done, I will make a post about it and see if I get it done or not. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.